You search how to buy shares of Petroleo Brasileiro ADR, the Brazilian oil and gas company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PBR.A. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PBR.A to locate the ADR listing. Confirm the NASDAQ result to ensure you have found the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Check the company name and ticker PBR.A to confirm this is the right listing. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you wish to open an account.